Hello again. In our sound sorting activity today, we are going to be listening for the sound V. Your teeth will be at the back of your lip and they might tickle a bit on your lip. Or you can put your hand on your voice box or underneath your chin and feel there for vibration. So you might want to say the words yourself to think about where you can hear V. So let's have a look at the words we've got here. We have the word vet, 7 and cave. Okay, that's given you an idea. Let's carry on thinking about where we can hear V. First of all, draw your rectangle and put 2 lines so that you have got 3 different spaces. One for if you hear the sound right at the beginning of the word, that's where you're going to write your number. One if you hear the sound in the middle of a word somewhere, and one for if you hear the sound right at the end of the word. And sometimes this sound, when you hear it at the end of the word, is much quieter. So have a think about that as we go through the pictures. Number 1. Cave, cave. Write the number 1 in the box to show where you heard V. You can pause the video while you do it. Just press play when you're ready to come back for the next word. Number 2. Clover, clover. Number 3. Vet, vet. Number 4. Dive, dive. Number 5. Volcano, volcano. Number 6. Van, van. 7. Screwdriver, screwdriver. 8 is another number. 5, 5. But the number that you write in the box will be 8. And another number, 9, 7, 7. Think about where you can hear V in 7 and then write the number 9 in the box. And that's us. Pause the video if you'd like to have a rethink about the numbers that you've written in the boxes, and then come back to me. Press play and we'll have a look and see how you did. So, did you hear V right at the beginning of the word vet and write the number 3 in your box? Number 5, volcano. Number 6, van. And did you write 3, 5 and 6 in the box? Well done if you did. Don't worry if you didn't. You can have another go another time. Okay, somewhere in the middle of the word. Clover. Did you write number 2? Screwdriver. Number 7. And number 9, 7. Did you write 2, 7 and 9 in the box for hearing in the middle of a word? Okay, last one. Did you write the number 1? Cave. Cave. It's much quieter at the end of some words. Number 4, dive. Dive. And number 8, 5. So did you write 1, 4 and 8 in the box for hearing at the end of a word, even though it was really quiet? Well done. Good job. And thank you for joining me.